Coach Delta Pineda, our winning coach for today. Coach, cohesion and execution ang naging focus ng conference break for Converge. How do you think your team fared in your first outing today?
I think it's good because yung chemistry ng mga bata compared to the last conference, medyo okay naman kami. Hindi ko masabing 100%, pero compared to last conference, okay naman. Especially right, 28 assists. So it means nagkakaroon na ng tiwala sa isa't isa yung mga bata.
Coach, looking at the game a little bit closer, you had a 19-point first quarter, pero tuloy-tuloy na ang pagpuntos pagkatapos noon, close to 30 or even above 30 in some of the quarters. What helped with the turnaround from the second quarter onwards?
I think yung kay Jalen pinagtrabaho namin eh. And then yung transition. Yun yung key point po namin doon. In-explain ko naman sa mga bata, Jalen needs to work. Kailangan namin na bigyan ng kumpiyansa yung import namin.